Hey, what's up? Welcome to the AI Powered Actor, where we're all about helping actors integrate AI into their acting career activities. Today I'm going to be sharing 5 ways that AI can help you as an actor. So the first way AI can help you as an actor is with scene creation for your demo reels. So a lot of the times when we don't have footage for our clips or our demo reels, we have to create our own. Especially if you're in an area where there's not a lot of film projects happening. Maybe you're in a smaller market, maybe you're in a place where there's really no market at all. If you have a smartphone, then you have what you need to create your own scene. And AI can actually write you a scene that can be shot on an iPhone that's a specific length that doesn't require a lot of editing. You just have to specify these things in your AI prompt when you're writing it. No more excuses for not having any scenes to create. Another way that AI can help you as an actor is with your actor practice schedule. So outside of training in a class or training at school, sometimes it's good to develop your own personal training routine that you can do at home. Maybe there's certain things you need to work on. Maybe you need to work on improv. Maybe you need to work on voice exercises. AI can actually craft a personalized practice schedule based on you. Just tell it how many hours you have in the day, what type of things you want to learn, and what your goals are, and it will craft the perfect routine for you. A third way that AI can help you as an actor is with agency cover letters. When you're applying to agencies, it's very important that you're not just mass sending the same exact cover letter to each agency. You want to write one that is specific to the agency at hand. Now, how do you have AI write you a specific agency that's specific to that agency and based on your experience? I've actually created a short infographic called 7 Powerful AI Prompts for Actors. One of the prompts on there is actually the prompt you can use to create an agency cover letter. You can download the prompt as well as 6 other prompts absolutely free, link below. A fourth way that AI can help you as an actor is with scene and character analysis. So when you're looking at a screen, maybe it's for class, maybe it's for school, maybe it's even for an audition, you have to be able to break down what's happening in the script so you can give a strong performance. AI can analyze the script for you. It can break down the moment before, the moment after, the emotional arc, the objectives, the relationships. These are all things that are good to know on your own, but sometimes it's nice to just have those ideas broken down for you. I will add a disclaimer here though. Right now, since AI is still relatively new, and it's especially new in this setting where there's not a lot of actors that are using AI to analyze scenes, the rules are still being written as to when it's okay to share a private script with an AI tool for the purposes of analysis. If you get some sides for an audition and you sign an NDA, you definitely don't want to be sharing that script directly with the AI tool. And there's other moments where maybe you didn't sign an NDA, but it's still expected that you're going to keep the script private. In those situations too, you just want to use your best discretion to make sure that if you do decide to use an AI tool to analyze the scene, that there aren't any data privacy issues. Like I said, the rules are still being written. It's a very gray area. Use your best discretion. In fact, in areas where copyright or IP might be a concern, it's better to use high-level prompts to study the themes, to study the overall arching objectives of a script rather than just copying it directly into ChatGPT, for example. I'm not going to be the one to say, yes, it's okay to share your script with AI, or no, it's not okay. Use your best judgment. Hopefully the rules will be made clearer as time goes on. A fifth way that AI can help you as an actor is with understanding your type. Now, one of the most important things an actor needs to know for self-branding is, what's my type? What type of roles am I going to play? How do casting directors see me? Am I the villain? Am I the comedian? Am I the lovable big guy? What am I? AI can actually analyze what your type is based on your physical characteristics. I've actually made a full tutorial on how to find your type using AI. You can go ahead and you can watch that video next. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Stay scripted, stay savvy.